holds it down here. All right, you ready? Yeah, that was good. That was a good reaction. We're ready, baby. Woo! For everyone, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is, remember we couldn't, now we get to drive in here because you're going to be the next pro. You're going to be the next, that guy. Show him, Mom. You're going to be the next one of them. Danger boy. Danger boy Deegan, baby. So there's probably a lot of people here too that are just practicing for the day. Because you could just practice. You don't have to race tomorrow to practice today.
Really?
It has open practice. And they don't do open practice a lot, so there's probably people here just literally leaving after practice.
Can you out there?
Hey, don't jump over those anymore with it, bud. You don't want to break it. Let's go right over here.
No, I want to go that way.
Alright. You lift it.
Try to find you, but you just.
Sorry.
How's that? Good? Is that good?
Do you want to screw that one in a little more?
Tired to hit it either.
All right, here.
Can you go walk and see the board?
just gone.
YouTube! What's going on? So, we're gonna recap, summarize Southwick, man, and what better way with my Southwick Pro National shirt I got on. So yeah, Bryson, man, J-Day, Southwick, forgot what round number it was, but dude, first experience in sand and kicked butt, man. He did awesome. The Stasic race the day before, not so good, right? Not good at all, because he didn't even race it, right? He was, I don't know if he was sick or not feeling well, but he didn't race it, man, and he was second in points for the Stasic Championship. Winner wins an 18-inch Stasic bike, so that killed me, man. That was brutal. I was quite upset with him. You know, I told him, hey, listen, you know, you got to at least go out there and do a lap, right? If you're not feeling well, you know, at least try to go out there, do a lap, and say, hey, listen, I can't do it, right? He was just didn't even really want to go out. So I looked at it as he kind of quit. He threw the towel in without even trying. But then again, I'm like, Joe, come on, relax, calm down. The kid's 4 years old, 5 years old now. He just had a birthday, actually, so he's now a 5-year-old boy. But yeah, so Stasic wasn't so good, but the Sunday, the Southwick J-Day motocross race, awesome, man. He did great. Again, lack of my fault. I haven't really gotten him into too much sand, and he did awesome, man. He fell a couple times, but it was downpouring rain. I mean, the conditions were terrible. They probably helped the sand, because Southwick, I mean, if you don't know Southwick sand, it's unique, let's just say, right? I used to race it for many years, and loved the track, the motocross track. The Pee Wee guys didn't go on the motocross track, but yeah, man, he did awesome. He had a ball. We've been shifting our focus now. He's been on the Cobra Junior, and he's been hauling butt on that. So we're gonna go actually ride tomorrow on the Cobra Junior again. So I'm trying to kind of pry him away a little bit from the Husqvarna e-bike. The Cobra Junior is going to be his 4 to 6 year old bike, you know, for any AMA legal type races, right? So if he wants to try Loretta's in, you know, another year or two, not next year, you know, by the time he's 6, he'll be able to try it, right? And he should be prepared for it. So Cobra's a good step. We're going to focus on motocross more. You know, for the rest of this fall, we're going to start going to more of the motocross type races. But the J-Day was great, man. It was just great to give him that experience in the woods, and just the roughness of those races, right? There's nothing that can compare to him, right? So it's just getting him to become a better dirt bike rider, and then that's all that matters at this point, because he's so young. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and hopefully we'll put out another one soon, maybe of him on the Cobra Junior. So see you guys.